Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well, and welcome back to my Mosey's skincare favourites and empties for May 2023. There's definitely been a running theme this month with regards to pairing products that work really well together and calling them my skincare dream teams. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into the video. The Innisfree Gigi Cherry Blossom Jelly Cream has been a go-to now that it's warmed up. It's a gorgeous lightweight jelly moisturiser that sinks in perfectly and gives the most gorgeous layer of hydration and works really well with the Naked Sundays Collagen Glow Mineral Sunscreen. I did post about this combo in a YouTube short because I do find mineral sunscreens sometimes can be hard to work with as they're a lot thicker and a lot of them are tinted. So I do find applying a really hydrating gel cream is perfect as the base to set down before your mineral sunscreen. And then the reason why I've been loving this Naked Sundays one is, first of all, it's SPF 50+. It also has plant-based collagen and antioxidants in it, and it just feels really nice on the face. I do find applying this with the fingers works the best, and it's the perfect primer before your makeup, or you can just wear it alone as well. Another dream team duo that has been a go-to in the evenings has been the Wrinkle Supreme Cream from the Skin House, teamed with the Triology Certified Organic Rosehip Oil. These two pair perfectly together. The Wrinkle Supreme Cream has a gorgeous lightweight texture. It's very nice and hydrating as well, and it's a good one to finish to seal all of your skincare in the PM. And then mixed with the rosehip oil, it just adds that extra layer of nourishment and hydration, and it's just the perfect pairing. The Manio Pure Cleansing Oil has become a fond favourite. I unboxed this in a Stylevana haul that I'll link down below. This is actually one of KBT's best sellers in Korea, and I can see why. First of all, the bottle is humongous, so this is going to last me for ages, and it's one of those stunning cleansing oils that just feels really nice on the skin, and it breaks down your makeup super easily. I use this as the first step within my PM skincare routine. Instead of a cleansing balm, it's just another nice alternative to take off your makeup. The Thayers Witch Hazel Facial Toner in Rose Petal I recently just finished. This bottle has lasted me forever, and the brand recently launched last year in the UK. I know they're very popular in the US. I was using this religiously on a daily basis. It's a great one to use after your double cleanse, just to swipe all over the face to balance out the skin and just ensure that any other remnants of makeup have been taken off. It's very refreshing, and I love the rose petal scent. It's absolutely stunning. Another product I recently finished as well was the Kiehl's Retinol Fast Release Wrinkle Reducing Night Serum. This is a really interesting retinol with regards to the packaging. You actually get the retinol separately, and then when you're ready to start using it, you add it to the bottle. I will show you a clip so you can see how it's done. But this is a very lightweight retinol. It has 0.3%, and I was using this every other day and alternating between another retinol. The only time I wouldn't use retinol as a whole would be once a week when I have done my microneedling. I tend to opt for something a bit more gentle, but I love the formula of this. It's very potent, but it doesn't irritate the skin, and I did notice the fine lines around the outer parts of my eyes going into the hairline definitely look a lot less prominent. Moving down onto the final shelf, I have another SPF favourite this month. I've been alternating between this and the Naked Sundays Mineral Sunscreen, and it's actually hidden down here. It's the CosRx Aloe Soothing Soothing Sun Cream in the SPF 50+. This again is another KBT bestseller, and I can see why. CosRx definitely dominate within K-beauty. They have so many great products, but this I especially love. When you first squeeze it out onto your fingers, it does look like a thick cream and you think this is never going to sink in, but it sinks in so quickly, and actually the texture is very delicate. I'm not going to say lightweight again because I think I said that about every product, but it is a nice delicate cream. It's an SPF 50+, and this is a nice one for especially now coming into the summer months when you are more exposed to the stronger sun, as this is very soothing. A final winning duo that is more for hydrating and just giving your skin a glow has been the Sun by Me Propolis Glow Barrier Calming Toner, teamed with the Carl Wrinkle Bounce Collagen Mist Ampoule. So I've been first of all using these two together in the AM. Right after cleansing, I usually cleanse in the shower now, and then as soon as I get out, I swipe the toner on a cotton pad all over my face, and then I follow up straight away with the Wrinkle Bounce Collagen Mist Ampoule. These two together give my skin that lovely boost and injection of moisture, and it just helps my skin look plump and glowing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my May skincare favourites. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used any of these products, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I hope you're all having a wonderful week or whatever you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.